people, welcome back. So it's time to start marinate the chicken. I got a tablespoon of garlic powder going here and some mixed chicken spice here. And tablespoon of black pepper. And I'm gonna get that marinade. Also I got some paprika to put on to get some color. About a tablespoon. And some olive oil, of course. Beat it up. Just one thing I did not show you, it's how to cut the pocket into the chicken breast. But it's just like that. It's a little pocket I cut into the chicken breast right there for the stuffing. I'm gonna start doing the stuffing right now. So it's the same mixture, the mozzarella cheese and the spinach and feta. And I also have some grape tomatoes here. Get some grape tomatoes inside. Right, these are looking good. Looking good, people. All right. All right. I only got like about 4 pieces of chicken right here. Might got leftover mixture, but I can use it. Something else, another chicken dish. And I'm gonna sear these right on the stove top before I get them in the oven to get some color on it. I got a nice cast iron skillet right here. And this is what it looks like. And I got my pumpkin rice over here, people. Pumpkin rice is going right now on the stove top right here. Looking good. And when I cut up my pumpkin and put in my rice, I also use Maggi noodle inside. Or you can use Grace, so I use some Maggi inside my pumpkin rice or Grace noodle. It gives it a lot of flavor. Flavor is the key thing when you're cooking. So I'm gonna start searing my chicken right here. Get this baby on right here. So look at that. You're looking so good. Those are the stuffed chicken. Alright. So I'm gonna get cleaned up. As soon as my pot get hot, these are gonna be going right inside the pot here. Get it nice and hot first. And use some olive oil. I get right back to you guys. Okay, so it's time to start the chicken up. Put some olive oil in this pan right here. We're gonna get it rolling. Alright, people, let's cook. This is getting nice and hot. Yep. Then I'm gonna get them right in the oven as soon as I get some nice color on it. I got my pan all ready. Yep, this is nice and hot. We're gonna get these babies right in here. You really need the color just on the this side of it, the top side of the chicken, or the scoop side, not the back of the chicken breast. We're cooking up a storm. Get some nice color in there. Yeah. Love my cast iron pot. It's amazing when it comes on to that. Get my rice all done. These are going in the oven. Crank up my oven to 350. Start. So that's my stuffed chicken going. Spinach, mozzarella cheese, and feta cheese. Stop those babies. They're looking good. They're looking good. Take you guys a little bit closer so you can see what's going on in the pan. Wow. That's what we call a delight. Nice color on the outside. My cast iron skillet. Fire it up. Then we're going to get them in the oven. Wow, those looking good. Okay, so I'm gonna get them out right now. Going on the pan. See all that color on it? Wow. Those are looking good. Turn my stove off. See that? Alright, so we'll get these babies in the oven and I'll get back to you as soon as these are done. Alright, right in the oven here. 350. These should take about 30 minutes. They should be done. Take a look at that. They're looking beautiful. Okay, people, welcome back. Chicken is still going in the oven. I'm making some sauce right here. There's about a tablespoon of margarine I got here. Melting in my pot. It's gonna be a basil cream sauce for my chicken. So get that all melt down. I got a tablespoon of flour right here to go in. We'll thicken up the sauce. Get that all mixed up. Then I got 1 cup of cream. It's only 10%. As I said, I only have 4 pieces of chicken breast, so yeah, I don't really need a lot of sauce. Alright. Put that going right here. And cut up my basil to go in there. And clove of garlic. Just crush that. Put them right inside, and I got half a ring of onion. Drop in there. Black pepper. salt, of course. And you just do this to your taste. Alright, get my basil inside. And there you go. Okay, people, take a look at that. These are done. Just check the temperature right there. Amazing. Wow. Amazingly good. So people, take a look at the rice. That's a pumpkin rice right there. Got some fresh thyme on top. This is all cooked right now. And I'm gonna try it. Wow. That's good. Wow. Okay, that's a finished product right here. It's time to eat, people. Okay, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. And catch you back in the next video. Thanks for watching.